Welcome to our guide on conversion optimization. This systematic process is designed to enhance a website's performance by increasing the percentage of visitors who take desired actions. Let's explore the key steps involved in this transformative journey. The first step in conversion optimization is gathering data. This involves collecting information about user behavior and website performance through analytics, user feedback, and customer interactions to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Once data is collected, the next crucial step is analysis. Businesses must identify patterns and trends that reveal user interactions and obstacles on the website. This insight is vital for understanding where improvements are needed. After analyzing data, it's time to fix any broken elements on the site. This may include repairing broken links, enhancing page load times, or improving usability features to ensure a seamless user experience. By following this structured approach to conversion optimization, businesses can systematically enhance their websites. This iterative process fosters data-driven decision-making, ultimately leading to increased conversion rates and improved user satisfaction.